Hey everybody, John here at Adventure RV in West Fargo, and I wanted to show you the 283 RKS. It's a rear kitchen setup, and look at all that counter space. But the big reason I'm going to start on the inside is not because of this nice big window and recliners, but this new panoramic window, 10 feet across. How awesome is that? Imagine out at the lake, just this nice big view. The end window's open so you can get some circulation through here, a little bit of air breeze through it if you want. And if it's a really hot day, you're going to use the 15,000 BTU air conditioner right there. If it's cold, they now have a heat pump. And you still have your floor heat, you can see right there. But they added that heat pump because they're good down to 25 degrees now. So right here you have a couple of recliners. And across the way you have the electric recliners right there. If I stand back over here, you can see you got a fireplace, plenty of storage, nice spot for a big TV. JBL audio, of course. And then if you're worried about storage, you got a nice big pantry right here with all of that storage area. And the nice thing that comes with a rear kitchen is all the storage above and below here and all that counter space. You got a nice little glass rinser right there. You take your glass, rinses it into the sink, sprays water up inside of it. 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. They cool faster, they're bigger, and they're half the price. So it's boom, boom, boom. It's a triple win right there. All that counter space. If you wanted to do taco night, there you go. And speaking of tacos, you don't have to worry about spilling. The kitchen all has solid surface countertops, which is really nice. And then Coachmen does what's called lumber core on their styles. So all this is solid wood underneath the particle board. It's just a real thin layer of particle board so they could stick the paper to it. But it allows them to use pocket screws back behind here. I'm going to see, maybe you can see them. Try to do this for you. So hopefully that shows the pocket screws. And they hold better in solid wood, so that's why they use them. I mean, these things, I am cranking on that and it is solid. It's not moving. So that's another huge deal of why you want to get yourself into a Coachmen. They're just built solid. So another thing I wanted to mention in here, GE appliances, right? GE appliance. These are GE profile appliances here too, and so is the air conditioner. Air conditioner is GE, and I'll tell you what, they have a 2-year warranty. And let's just say something breaks and you got to replace it, even if it's a year and a half down the road. Once it's replaced, they give you 2 more years on the next GE appliance that replaced it. So that's pretty slick. Coming down the hallway here, there's your thermostat. Big medicine cabinet, lots of storage in here. Foot flush porcelain toilet. Nice big shower with the shower surround. Skylight, fan. A great bathroom. And then we go down into the bedroom. We got a queen bed. Hanging storage on each side of the bed. You got a spot to charge your phone. There's USB ports. 110 outlets. Behind there, on each side, you got a nice spot. You can put your glasses, your phone, CPAP machine, whatever you might want to store. 2 air conditioners in this puppy. And you got drawers. 3 drawers and a nice big closet, another hanging storage. What a great camper. We're going to go on the outside now. If you want to learn a little bit more about the construction, follow me outside. And I think one more quickie right here. Show you all the stuff that's on there. And it's even got a dimmer for your lights in the living room. So let's go outside and talk about that. All right, here we are outside, and I want to let you know that this camper has a one-piece seamless alpha TPO roof. It's fully walkable, and a TPO roof is twice as thick as a regular rubber roof, and it's white all the way through. Regular rubber roofs, when they used to have those, some brands still use it, it would bleed black down the side of the camper. This is all white, so it's not going to do that. Also up on top there, 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller. And right around here, this is a radius LED light on the cap. Both sides of the cap have that. And as we work our way this way, underneath that cover is a power tongue jack, two LP tanks, which is propane. We're going to have them filled. And then right there, we're going to put a big Group 27 interstate battery for you. There's a 12-volt shutoff switch right there. I'm going to pop this storage open so you can see that too. All right, so look at that nicely finished off storage area all the way across. That's the switch for the radius lights in the front. And then right there is your 30-amp controller for the solar. Swing around over here, you got the JBL audio speakers, one there and one on that side. The flip up solid steps, nice big railing, and then the awning has LED colored lights. So that's a big awning, goes all the way across there, so you can make it like a disco if you wanted to. Coming over here, you can see the nice aluminum rims, and that's also aluminum. What wraps around there, it's aluminum fender skirts, so being aluminum, they're not going to fade or crack. Then over here you got a tankless water heater this year, so that's awesome. On-demand hot water is cool. We're gonna go right here, and you got a fridge and a little griddle outside. On the back, you're ladder ready, and it's camera prepped. Black tank flush. That's your freshwater hookup. Black tank flush is on the side. And there's that panoramic window from on this side. You can see how nicely tinted it is. Keep that sun out. And I'm gonna go back up to the front. Got to show you something there. So right up here on the frame, anytime you see that Norco BAL frame, that's made in the USA. It's powder coated, and it's made with huck fasteners. So instead of just being spot welded here and there like a lot of brands do, these are huck bolts and huck fasteners, which is how semi-truck trailers are made. So it's a lot stronger, it's going to last longer. It's a heated, enclosed, and sealed underbelly. So if you were to go up underneath there, I'll try to get a view for you. See, it's all sealed and enclosed, and they also spray foam around the edges that really gets it tightly closed. It has one-piece rotocast holding tanks, so there's no splits in the tanks. And there's also an undermount spare tire under there, as you can see.